Hyacinth, key features and information. Botanical name. Hyacinth belongs to the genus Hyacinthus in the family Asparagaceae. The most commonly cultivated species is Hyacinthus orientalis, also known as the garden hyacinth. Habitat. Hyacinths are native to the eastern Mediterranean region, including parts of Turkey, Syria, and Lebanon. They thrive in well-drained soil and sunny locations, making them popular in garden beds, containers, and indoor arrangements. Leaves. Hyacinth leaves are long, narrow, and glossy green, growing in clusters at the base of the flower spike. They emerge in the early spring, providing a lush backdrop for the blooming flowers. Flowers. Hyacinths are renowned for their highly fragrant, dense clusters of flowers that appear on tall, upright spikes. Colors. Hyacinths come in a wide variety of colors, including shades of purple, pink, red, white, blue, and yellow. Structure. The flowers are bell-shaped, with 6 petal-like tepals that are often deeply cupped. The blooms are dense and form a pyramid-like cluster, giving the plant a full, rich appearance. Fragrance. Hyacinths are famous for their intense, sweet fragrance, which is often used in perfumes and is a favorite in spring gardens. The scent is strong and can fill a room if grown indoors. Blooming time. Hyacinths bloom in early to mid-spring, often emerging as one of the first flowers to break through the soil after winter. The blooming period typically lasts for several weeks. Adaptations. Bulb growth. Hyacinths grow from bulbs, which store nutrients to help the plant survive during the dormant winter months. Cold tolerance. They are hardy in colder climates and can survive frost, making them ideal for early spring gardens. Cultural symbolism. Hyacinths are often associated with beauty, playfulness, and the arrival of spring. In Greek mythology, the flower is linked to the tragic story of Hyacinthus, a youth beloved by the god Apollo. Hyacinths can symbolize sorrow and remembrance due to this myth. Uses. Lawn gardens. Hyacinths are popular in spring gardens, where they are often planted in flower beds, borders, and along walkways. They can be planted in groups or used to create vibrant, fragrant flower arrangements in the garden. 2 indoor plants. Hyacinths are commonly grown indoors during the winter months, often as part of forced bulb displays. Their fragrance and color make them a popular choice for indoor decor, especially around holidays like Easter. 3 cut flowers. As a cut flower, hyacinths are prized for their fragrance and beauty, often used in floral arrangements and bouquets. 4 fragrance industry. Hyacinths are used in perfumes and scented products due to their strong, sweet fragrance. Ecological importance. Pollinator attraction. Hyacinths attract early spring pollinators such as bees and butterflies, providing a crucial food source when other flowers are not yet in bloom. Low maintenance. Their ability to thrive in a variety of soil types and their minimal care requirements make them a great choice for low-maintenance spring gardens. Care and maintenance. Planting. Hyacinth bulbs should be planted in the fall about 4 to 6 inches deep in a well-drained, sunny location. Watering. While hyacinths like moist soil, they should not be overwatered to prevent bulb rot. Post-blooming care. After blooming, the flowers should be removed, but the leaves should be left to die back naturally, as they help nourish the bulb for next year's growth. Hyacinths bring a burst of color and a powerful fragrance to any garden or home. Their early spring blooms, combined with their rich cultural symbolism, make them a timeless and cherished flower in both outdoor and indoor settings.